In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now select Consent and tap on this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those options and create a perfect wallpaper. You can check out preview at the top. If you don't like this one, you can always select preset, click on any of those, and then adjust it. Either way, use this X at the top right corner, and then to apply your wallpaper, those three lines at the bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!